So, how have robots changed industries? The impact is staggering huge. By automating repetitive tasks, robots allow industries to mass-produce goods more quickly and with higher accuracy. Take the automotive industry, for example. Today, robots are used in almost every step of car manufacturing, welding, painting, assembling components, and even testing. As a result, the time it takes to build a car has significantly decreased, while production costs have been reduced. One of the major impacts of industrial robots is on worker safety. Robots now handle dangerous tasks like welding, heavy lifting, and working with hazardous materials. This has led to a drastic reduction in workplace injuries. Workers are no longer exposed to harmful fumes, extreme temperatures, or the risk of repetitive strain injuries. While there is always concern that robots will take over jobs, the reality is more nuanced. Yes, robots have replaced certain manual jobs, but they have also created entirely new ones. Industries now need engineers, programmers, and technicians to design, maintain, and improve robotic systems. Rather than taking jobs away, robots have often transformed them.